cost of the NASA boycott has begun taking a toll on one of the companies listed as a target. Agents under the Safaricom Dealers Association warned that the boycott will be disastrous to businesses, threatening that over 1 million jobs hang in the balance.
Support a policy from where I sit as an individual that is killing what we have developed in the last many years, whether it's political, whether it's social, whether it's economical, as long as it's killing what we have developed. I'll never be a part of that, and I believe that's the position of the association as business people.
We've got reports that around Homa Bay County area, we've had people being threatened and even going to an extent of physically harming them. It is not right for us to do this. Our economy is for all of us, and we all need to build it. Safaricom Business is a brand that has been built over the years. It should not take us, this very short time to be able to make it come down.
To these leaders, that they may know that the effect that is going on is affecting the economy, and we ask them to sit down and bring this country to a reconciliation. That is what the voice here is. If they sit down and they reconcile, we will have solved all the problem.
Hundreds of passengers and goods worth millions